In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Square with Shopify. This guide is designed to make your journey smooth and efficient, enabling you to manage your business transactions seamlessly. Integration of these two platforms allows you to synchronize your sales and inventory data, making everything much more manageable. Now, let's get started. First, you're going to want to log into your Shopify account. This is your central hub for managing your online store, so make sure you have your credentials ready. If you're unsure of your login details or if you've misplaced them, take a moment to reset your password, preferably with something both secure and easy for you to remember. Once logged in, you'll be on your Shopify admin page. From here, you'll be navigating to the Apps section located on the left-hand menu. This section is where you manage all third-party applications connected to your store. Next, hit the Search for Apps button and type in Square. You'll see a list of results, and you will want to select the official Square app for integration. Click on the app to open its details page, where you'll gather essential information such as features and user reviews. This will help you confirm that it's the correct app for your needs. When you're ready, simply click Add App, and you'll be guided through a prompt to install Square. At this point, you may be required to log into your Square account if you're not already signed in. Enter your Square credentials, and once you're logged in, you'll see options to authorize the Shopify integration. In this step, you're granting permission for Square to communicate with your Shopify store, which will be essential for syncing sales data and customer information. Don't worry, these permissions are standard and necessary to get the integration up and running. Once you've authorized access, follow the on-screen instructions to select what kind of information you'd like to synchronize between the two platforms. This can include product details, pricing, and inventory levels. Pay close attention here, as any errors could cause discrepancies in your store's data. Choosing the right settings ensures your inventory levels are accurate and up to date, which is crucial for smooth operations. Finally, after setting up the sync preferences, it's a good idea to run a quick test. Conduct a test transaction using a dummy product to ensure everything is working correctly and that the sales and inventory sync is operational. If you encounter any issues during this process, both Shopify and Square offer support resources and customer service to help you troubleshoot any hiccup you might face. And there you have it. Your Square account should now be successfully integrated with your Shopify store. This integration simplifies managing sales and inventory, helping you run your business more efficiently. Remember that staying organized and following each step carefully is key to getting the most out of these powerful tools. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to leave any questions or comments below.